Okay, I got cut off, and I'm using QuickTime as my recorder. And just a tip for you, if you're on a Mac and you use QuickTime to do screen recordings, which is my favorite tool to use because it's quick and it's easy, close your mail, because if you get an email, it automatically kicks you out, and I happen to get an email which automatically kicked me out. So instead of redoing, I just saved that as part 1. Okay, so I put that file, which I took out now, I put this file in here. I connect to the internet, or my computer connects to the internet, and it automatically uploads it to all the other places where I have Google Drive. So this file now, if I were to open my laptop, because I'm on my desktop, if I were to open my laptop, this file would be on my laptop. This file would be on my iPad. This file would be on my iPhone. It talks to each other. So anytime you have one Google Drive account, as long as you're signed in to your main Google account, it will connect to all of the other ones. Really nice feature with it. So the other thing, I'm going to go back to Google. The cost. You get 15 gigabytes free, which is quite a bit. You can have quite a bit to get with 15 gigabytes. So that's where I recommend starting. Now, if you wanted to go over, and you can see on my Google account, it tells you how much you've used, and you can see that my Google Plus photos, I've used 178, my Gmail 511, where I've used all of my space right now is my Drive account, 77 gigabytes. So I've gone way over the 15 gigabytes. However, I pay per month for it, and you can see all of my files. I mean, I have everything for, this is my personal Google account, of course. I do have 5 Google accounts, but this is the one I just seem to always use. So I put all my teaching stuff here. It just works for me. It is $1.99 per month for 100 gigabytes. So you can see I've got 33 gigabytes to go, and I have files. I have lots and lots of files and pictures, and I could keep doing all that scrolling and opening all these. So I have a lot, and for $1.99 a month, I don't mind paying that. So that's the cost of it, and you can go up to a terabyte for $9.90 a month. You can do all kinds of different things. So it's very reasonable in the cost. And in module 2, I believe you are learning more about the clouds and different types of clouds where you can save information. I save nothing to my desktop. I have computers crash all the time. If my computer crashes and I have everything in Google Drive, I have lost nothing except for the software that I would have to reinstall. I have lost no files. So I really like the ability of Google Drive. You'll see on your Google Drive account when you come up, you can view it this way where it's kind of little images, or you can do a list view. You can sort it by last modified by you, last opened by you, because remember, Google's all about sharing. You can get information on what you've done, so your activity and the details. You can change your settings. Here's also, instead of going to Google and downloading Google Drive, I didn't realize this was here. Here you can download Google Drive. I'm in the new Drive. There's an older version. I'd stay with the new one. You can look at keyboard shortcuts or get some help. This tells me I have someone who's added me to their circles. This is my account, so I can change different things in it. But that is just kind of a quick intro to Google. Google's all about sharing. There's photos, what you've recently done. You can star items. You can trash items and then empty your trash. And I really do need to empty this. I'd probably get rid of 10 gigabytes. So just a quick intro to what Google Drive is all about. Enjoy and have fun with this. Until next time.